right. Okay, I think I should have everything set up so it's not janky. We're gonna find out here directly. Let me pull up the chats. Okay. It should be fine. I hate that that's the starting map. Like that just shows. Okay. Where is start menu? Okay. So I've been thinking about it for a while, just like, because I went to school for coding and stuff like that, like software development, and so I was like, I should try to kind of get back into that. But I've been doing like data analytics stuff, right, for like looking for work and stuff like that. And then just eventually, like I enjoy games, and so it just kind of came to head. There's a guy named Pirate Software that kind of like blew up on YouTube Shorts and stuff like that. That put out a good little like guide of like how to start stuff like that. So I was like, yeah, sure, might as well. And go with that. That should be blank. Okay. So got a few goals for the stream. A few, right? So here, like, is the game so far. Everything that you see is kind of gonna be like temporary, right? Like this background's just temporary. It's a stock image kind of thing. The characters that I have, like I've made, it's gonna take a while. Like I didn't make these. These again assets. They're free to download assets and stuff like that, and I kind of customized them to each person. But I'm gonna have like actual customized ones made, so it's not just using assets. But these are just kind of temporary while I figure stuff out. I don't think I have any enemies in here. Yeah. So this is kind of where we're going with this. So the goal is, so I have, the game's up somewhere. So this options button doesn't work because I'm not really worried about the options for it yet. Quit works, closes the game, right? Play takes you to, and again, this is gonna get cleaned up and look better, like made to look better. I might have it as more of a drop down kind of thing. These are the different people you can be. As right now, I'm gonna eventually have a male and female character. Is what's gonna happen, but I want to get these new journey buttons working today. Not really working, but I want to get like a little temporary map that I can like place. I'm gonna probably do the Poseidon one. Place on the map. So it's gonna be an RPG, right? It's gonna be a side scroller RPG. Kind of like trying to think. I don't know, Metroid, right? New Prince of Persia that just came out is kind of like that. But yeah, I want to get these buttons working. Basically just to it with a new level, and then you set up the movement for the characters. So that's kind of it. It's gonna be like a RPG. I want to make a series of games, right? But I want this first one to be probably a side scroll. Then eventually, as I'm getting better and like feel comfortable with the side scroll aspect, like the 2D games, go to like 3D stuff like that. But for now, this is the little start of it. That's just kind of how that's going. Yeah. So the goal is to get buttons working. I want this button to work. Most importantly. Got these little menus. This I need to add an on-click to. I think is how I want to start this. But I also need to make the level that it's gonna go to. So level. Make a new level. I'm gonna say testing level, right? Testing map. And then that should take me there. So what I want to do before I design that, I want to make, so play's gonna do that, and there's with the different journey, right? Because I want them to be able to have a load of each character, but just one for now. So new journey would start, then low journey would be kind of like grayed out if they haven't done one with this character. But that's future wire's problem. So I need this to have an on click, is what's gonna have to happen. On click. There we go. Okay. Yeah. On click of this button. It should be pretty easy. I should just do level, not load level, create level, open level, open level by name. Might be by object reference actually. Open. Select asset. Testing map. This should theoretically be it. I do need to set a player controller, but I think I can leave it at that for now. Like, I'm pretty sure, and it should just take me to a blank thing. Cool, right? Pretty simple, easy. That I do need to eventually do more with, but for now, this is plain Jane kind of thing. And I just gotta mess with this map. Safe selected. Okay. Now, I do have assets for this that I have not put in yet. Because mostly I forgot to. Okay. It's kind of like a test map. Sure, we'll go here. Now these textures I just need to make not sprite. Is it sprite action? No, apply 2D textures. Apply 2D textures. Do this on all of them so it's free background. Totally off topic, but Doc Rivers. And it doesn't have to be off topic. Like we can talk about whatever. It's basically just I want to be streaming while learning and doing this stuff. Because it's gonna take a while, right, for the game to be done. And because I'm gonna work on it outside of stream as well. But the plan right now is like a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, right, and sometimes Saturday stream for doing this. Just because other stuff goes on, but. How on earth I need a Doc Rivers is a weird. I don't. Yeah. But I don't get fire. You're 30 and 13, right? At the time, 30 and 13. That's solid, right? There's not a lot to complain about. Because say that's basically halfway through the season. You done with 60 wins on this season, like it's hard to complain about. I need to add something that I forgot. Because I don't just click and drag. I need it to be a 2D. Bum, bum, bum. There is something I'm supposed to do. There is something. Bum, bum, bum. There has to be something coming out, like, next few days of some off the court things. Like, there's just no reason for it. Not that I can. I mean, what, Giannis didn't like him? Is that the reason? This doesn't feel right that I do that. No. I need to. It's not level. I need to create something. Not a flipbook, tile set. I need to make a tile set and a tile map. Okay, this will be. Oh no, this is not the right place to do it though. I guess it could be the right place to do it. I don't know. Yeah, it's the right place to do it. Giannis chose him, so that's why he's confused. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I really have no clue then. Texture, I just need tile map. Tile map. Tile map. Oh, right there. I need tile map and tile set. Tile map. Underwater test. Can I make these a tile set? Create tile set. Yeah. Okay. Ideas. Create tile set. That need to go in here because that's not. It's not tile size. It's not right. Okay, maybe that. Maybe 32 by 32 is the right size. I think it's 24 by 24 for each one of these though. Like, how much input did Giannis have? Like, because if Giannis had the whole input, that'd be kind of wild. This feels right. 24 by 24. Save. Okay. Tile map. I hate that it goes into this little thing, but I'm gonna do that. But first, we need to make it a certain size. Map height, map width. Oh, I don't know. He did basically choose him. Then we got Dame, and I'm like, yeah, we're gonna go all in on winning. But I'm so yeah, I don't know. It's not like he's having a disappointing season. I mean, Dame started off slow, right? But that was 20 games ago. Like who cares at this point, you know? I don't know how long big this is supposed to be. Tile map width. 15. It's not right because it's. I think each one of these should be a 24 by 24 thing. Yes, you tile width. It's 32 by 32. So let's do some math. Say it takes up a computer, a monitor, right? 1920 by 1080. So 1920 divided by 32. I don't know, 64 sounds right. Calculator. 1920 divided by 32. 60. Okay, so it was close enough. So I need 60, but I want some on each side. So let's go with 80. Height 10. I should. Do I have that calculator still up? No. Calculator. 1080 divided by 32. 34. Sure. So it's going to be 54. 55. Don't care enough. Okay. 55. So now I need just this tile set. So what we're gonna do, I could use the paintbrush, right, and make it which eventually I want. Hear me out. What if I just did this, right? Wait, why is that not okay? So that's not because that's tile's not right. I need to go back. Save this. I need to mess with this tile set again. Because 32, this is wrong. So it's not 24 by 24. So maybe it is just 32 by 32. Wow, why did this not change? I don't know what I just clicked. Okay. Okay, so this is supposed to be 32 by 32. Got that fixed. So we go here, we can just basically paint it. Basically paint it, sorry. Okay, eraser. Just get rid of this. I'm trying to think of if I wanted 10 and 10 on top and bottom. So 10 from 0 would just go, so it's at 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 2, should just be 50, 43, 45. This should be pretty simple. Somebody snapped each other at me. Okay, boom. That should be simple enough, right? Should be simple enough. Erase this part. I need to make all of those. So in here, I need to do colliding tiles, all of them. Or these ones. I need to tile heights. Okay, I need to make this a colliding tile. How do I make this a colliding tile? Collision beta. I need to make this a colliding tile, but I don't remember how. So tile editor. Collision data feels like that's where it should be. Geometry. No. Add box. There we go. Add box. Add box. I think then adding the box makes it. Okay. So yeah, these are collision tiles. Okay, good. Good. That should be fine. Okay, save. Because those are the tiles we need that to hit. And I really don't care about those. So I just here. 0 to 9. I just kind of need a wall. And again, this is not going to be how it actually looks, but 70. But this is just kind of so I can get the movement done of. That's really unfortunate. Get the movement done of the characters before having to do anything else. I can paint, fill, and then this isn't gonna be as high as it usually is, but like 44. Let's just make it this height. I don't know if that's too small or not, but that seems like a decent enough size. So we save this. That's fine. And then we go to testing map and tile map. Okay. I don't want the grid on. How do I turn this grid off? There is a way. I don't want to see the grid. Doodah. Okay, so why am I still seeing it? So this should. I could place a character here, and he should be able to walk on it. Place actor. Player start. I need to do stuff to this though. Because now I need a blueprint of this. This is all just it's hard. I haven't done this, like worked on this in a week or two, so I don't remember exactly what all I finished and what I didn't finish. It's kind of how this is going. I need a player controller. I don't have that anywhere, right? Blueprints, content. Okay. I definitely need a controller. Input action is going to be fine. Input mapping context I can do, but I need a player. I just need to create. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, let me go back to this. Where is testing map? I want to delete this because I don't trust what is happening here. At least not yet. At least not yet. Actor. Okay. Gameplay. It's start games. Oh no, that's on the original thing. How do I creating actor Unreal Engine 5? Just go ahead and save now. Okay. Need to add a component. Material, no, blueprint class. Okay. Actor, character. I think character is the. So it's gonna be a paper actor. Okay. Main character, BP. Here we go. Okay. Sprite. Let's use. Oh, there's so much. I'm gonna do Poseidon as the original. This is the first one I'm gonna make. It's just gonna be Poseidon. Poseidon Idol. Okay. Now I do need to move the. I need to move the box around him. Capsule. Capsule height 34. No, 12 maybe. 12. Okay. Oh, 12. 12. It's a little box. It's not exactly right, but let me go to the side view and make this easier for me. Perspective right. Oh, hello. Okay. I move them forward. How do I grab them? That's close enough. And then I just need to mess around with the capsule. Capsule. Let's do 15. 24. Pretty. Is there a free thing? Can I just move this? Is that a? Okay. This. Select and translate. Yes. Why can't I use this? W. No. Okay. We'll move the character. No. I want to be able to move it. 1. Yeah. That's about in the middle. The height is too tall, I think. Capsule half height 15. Feels good enough. Okay, now we need to add a. How do I add? It's a camera, but it's a camera holder. No. Add a component. What's the thing holding the camera? There's something holding a camera, and I don't remember what it's called. Camera. What is it called? Because it needs to be something else with it. Not AI. Common. Scene, plane, mesh. No. I'm just going to have to. Spring arm. Spring arm. Okay, now, and that sounds right. Camera. Camera. Perspective is going to be, let's send O, I believe. Then I should be able to see the camera, right? Because I don't want to be looking at it, I want perspective now. Yeah, see, there's the camera. But I want it to be on the side of it. So what I need to do is take the camera and I need to rotate it. I need to rotate, actually I need to rotate the spring arm. Because if I just did that, I don't know if this, it's going to be 90, but I don't know. Nope, that's not what I needed to do. 90? That should be it. Yeah, no, okay. That's looking below. Not quite, not what we're doing here. 90. It's looking the wrong way. So we're gonna go 270 on here. Because I want it to be on the other side. That's how that's gonna go. And then for the arm length, I don't know. It's hard for me to tell like what this should be. So let's just go 500 for now. Call that fine. And this should have a collision thing. Let me actually look at the capsule component. This should be fine. Let's save it. Let's compile, save. Then we will come back into this. But we need to add the main character to this. Content. Can I just like, boop? No, okay. No, that's not the actual testing map. Here we go. I don't know. I don't want I want this to be like a player start thing. Like when it loads. Because I don't think I just drag and drop the player there. Place actor. Player start. Okay. This player start. Details. Why doesn't it have my blueprint? Place actor. Here's what I want. Okay, yeah, you're not. Okay, player start is not what I want. Okay, let's just see what this looks like for now. We'll save it. I'll go to the start menu. We'll play. Did it not pop up for me? Okay, no, this is not. Okay, we'll play. Why is this? No. Do I have to actually go to the other map? Yeah, I do. Save selected. Play. Options doesn't do anything. Play. Doesn't do anything. Doesn't do anything. And then we click here. Like, what is this? That's not right. Okay. How do I fix that? So I need to go to levels, testing map, because this seems to be how it looks. Okay, this is what I want. It needs to just go to the camera, but how do I place the player into it? Blueprints. If I do this, I just want this guy in here. Like, Is this really what I do? There's no way that's what I do. It's just wrong. Oh, and it just fell through. Save. Oh, I need to refresh something. Refresh maps. I was like, that's just not right. Play. Still falling through. We love that. That's huge for me. Oh, what location is this at? Cause like, yeah, it's not even on the right plane. Details. Location. I think this is the 0 I need it to move. Okay, cool. Save. Play. Still just fell through. I love that. Cause that's just not right. There's just no way that's right. I mean, it's doing the idle. It's this. Okay, it's still the front. What location is this at? Why is this -40? 0. Just makes no sense. That would start as -40. Okay, cool. But why is it not starting on the camera? And why is this lighting all messed up? Okay, there's just a lot going on. That just doesn't feel right. Okay. It has to be a player start thing. Okay. It's short video time. I don't get the looks of it yet. Okay. So I did this. Sorry, you guys. I'm just looking at how to get this to be right when I go into this level. Like, for some reason, I'm just not getting it on the thing. Okay, camera is orthographic. Okay, right click, game mode. Game mode test BP. And then player control. Okay, we need to go to the game mode. The one I just made. Default pawn, I need it to be main character. Compile. Hit save. Okay. game mode override. Game mode test. Yeah, save. Player start. Let's go 0.2. Now this should be fine. Let's just look at this part. Okay, cool. Okay. So now, hopefully, I should have closed out of that. Now hopefully when I go through the whole thing, say I start at, I'll go back in there and I'll deal with the start menu. Let's go. I don't care about that. I want the actual start menu map. Save selected. Okay. I go here. Options doesn't do anything. Quit works. Play. New journey. Should. Okay. We're here. Now, okay, the lighting's all messed up and stuff, but I will deal with that later. So I just want to get the movement down for this. Let me get the movement down for this. Let me go here really quick. Okay. Now I do need, so blueprints. I also need to do a, I don't know. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go here, I think. First, let's do input mapping. MC main input action movement. This should be movement. Description. Need to do movement. Choose modifiers, behavior. None. I need to go to actual movement, so let me go here, movement. Axis 1D since it's just one. Because it's okay, so this should be saved. And then here, so I do D. And I need to do A. Okay. Modifiers, and this needs to be negative. Negate. That way I go backwards. And then I do need to make the jump one. But jump's already inherited. Okay, so now we should be able to do this. I need the graph. Okay. I'm gonna move these for a bit. Okay. So now get a controller. And it's a player controller. Controller. I think I just named it. Cast. Oh, what did I just name this? Player controller, controller BP. Okay, I was like, I named it something. Controller BP, casted controller BP. Enhanced. Then I'm gonna go add mapping context. And this should be this. This should be done for getting that controller done. But I don't want, so okay, let's do enhanced. So let's do, actually, let me go movement. That's why I named it movement. Where is it at? Movement. IA movement. What did I name it? Enhanced. Enhanced action values. I think it's it. Action events. Okay. Okay. So now I have this. And we should. Okay. Get actor forward. And movement input. Then I go action, scale. Okay. So that's the start of it. But this should move it left and right. Compile, play, new journey. It's not working. We love that, that's huge. Triggered, and then this should be targets. I don't see it. I know how to do this. Okay. This should just work. But why didn't it? Compile. What if I just did it on? Just click play. All right. Okay, so it worked there. I hate that I can't ever just like close out of it. I just need to start clicking escape. So it needs to happen there. So it worked there. Do I need to set? I click play. I get to that same level. It doesn't work. World settings. Game mode override. What if? Oh, what? So maybe because I have. Hold on. It's blueprint. No, that's not it. Clearly. No. Okay, I have so many things open. Okay, movement. Yes. You can close for now, or you can close for now. So select. I got you doing whatever. Which I think. Here I want to go graph. You. Exit the game deals with the cursor. You. This is not, I don't see, I want this to be different. When this loads. But I need this to be done on here. Start menu BP. Maybe I don't have, so levels. Game mode test BP. I don't have the game mode because it's not the same game mode. So if I do this, and I think this F's it though. I'm not gonna lie, I think this screws it. Let's play it. Yeah, everything's just off. Okay, so that's not right. Do I need it on the same? This is game mode test. Cool. Now we save. Now we do this, and it works. What is the difference between this and game mode? Blueprints, game mode test. What's going on here? It just sets the controller. Oh, maybe I need to go here. Game mode test. What's the other one called? Game mode test. You default pawn is going to be main character. But the problem is if that starts me, so let's go here. Save select. Okay, cool. Play, new journey. Let me move back and forth. What is wrong with this? Oh, do I need to set another controller in that too? Do I need to set the same controller? Player controller BP, compile. I don't see how that doesn't fix it. Play, new journey. Okay, well, it clearly doesn't fix it. Start menu BP, game mode override options. I'm just doing random things, see if yeah, that's not freaking right. Okay. Game state base. Play. New journey. How do I switch game modes? Google time. How to switch game modes in Unreal Engine 5. No, definitely. Okay, yeah, I understand. How many game modes? Game mode and game state. Channels. Game mode and game state. Has on spin the same, but game mode. Okay. Now, what do I do? Okay. Game contain one game because you can use game mode to set current level. What if when I go and do stage select goes here, it opens this level, then it should set game mode. I don't see how this is wrong. That feels right, at least. Oh, okay. Error. Why is this an error? Type of object is unreturned. Well, what would go in here? Okay. How do I... I don't see... What if this went here? This one here. I don't want this one. Is that right? Dude. Break this link. I want to open it, but I want it to... On create, do I set new game mode? No. I don't want to, maybe it's not a cast. Create this link. So this is how I open the level. Start menu. Okay. Is there a grid portion of this? Where's that at? Start menu, blueprint manager, deals with the mouse cursor. Okay. Just don't know if that's it. guess maybe I don't need a second game mode? Okay. Start menu. Start menu thing. Okay, but if I want... I want this to happen. I load this and it moves back and forth, right? Right. But if I'm doing it based off the UI, maybe I just don't have this as the UI, except for that it's not gonna, it's always just gonna start in that level, which is not what I want. This level is, I don't know. So I start this, play new journey. I can't move because it doesn't have the right stuff. I can't do more than... Alright. Advanced. So that's the game mode. Main character. Controller. Spectator class. It's fine. If I do... Okay, let's just try it again. Maybe I didn't compile everything. Play, new journey. I have no idea why this isn't working. Has no reason not to. Like at all. Open level. What if I didn't do it by object reference? Like, what if I just actually opened open a level by name? What if I did this? What's the name? Dude, I don't know. The name of it is testing map. Testing map. Cool. Compile. Nothing. Good. Yes, you start. Play new journey. Doesn't change anything for me. This let. Open level by object reference. Testing map. Set game mode. Game What is this do? Okay, it's compiled, so that's promising. Play, new journey. Doesn't change the fact that I can't move. Okay. I think I'm just gonna work on the movement without, and then figure this part out later. As I think the move here. Alright, because this part works. If I have this level open, right, and I play just this level, I have the movement, right? Kind of, I mean, the start of the movement. But let's get it setting looking the right way. That's gonna be main character, okay. I'm just gonna see sets controller map. Move that here. This. I need to start making it back and forth now. So add movement input. I need to make it run. So, flipbook. Just need to set the flipbook. This is Poseidon Run. So what that would be. Didn't mean to do that. And then what I think I need to do is, so that should work. So if I need to make it go back and forth, yeah, see, I need to rotate. I need to rotate it. I think that's the world rotation. That's what I think I need it to do. Set world rotation. And I think that's it, except for actually no. So what I need to do is, because if it's going negative, I need it to be normal. If it's going positive, or it's going negative, I need it to go left. If it's going positive, I need it to go right. So what I need to do is I need to set up a branch. I also need to set up a operator though. Can I do, is it operator? Is that the less than? Is that okay? So if it's less than, if what should be? It should be the action value. Can I make this smaller? Action value. The action value is less than 0. I need this to be. If A is less than B, this should be, if A is less than 0, and do I have that branch set up? Yeah, so if A is less than 0, this should come into the flipbook. If A is less than 0, than 0. Then I should reset flipbook. I need to set the rotor rotation. World rotation. Set world rotation. Is it the camera sprite? I think is what I need it to be. Yeah, okay, sprite. And then that one, I'm gonna jump off a bridge. No, just give me this. And then I think Z is the 180. Okay, and then if it's false, or if it, yeah, then I need to set it back. Set world rotation for the sprite. Back here, and then this should be fine. Save, run. Yep. Okay. So we're good. We're chilling. We're A-okay there. Oh. Okay, we're not A-okay. Completed. If it's completed, we need to set the flipbook to idle. Put aside an idle. Dude, I have so many of these. This should be fun. I need to make this more organized, but I'll do that after I finish everything. Because I got a bunch of stuff to do. Okay. Okay. Left stops, right stops. Simple. Simple. Now, it's pretty good on that. Now, I need to add the jumping. Need to add jumping, which will be like spacebar. Like so this should be fun. How do I do jump? Okay, let's go to mapping. Add mapping. Okay. Shit, I think I need to go blueprints. Right click, input action, jump. Mapping context, we go here, we go jump. Here's jump. And then this should be a pressed. Okay. I jump. Jump. And then when it's triggered, we need to do jump. It's already built in. Okay. Now. Jump. Let's go ahead and we'll go set looping. Set looping. And then we'll go with a delay. Delay duration will go 0.1. Here set flipbook. Then Poseidon jump. See, I don't want to have. Do I have to do this for each character? Or will it be based? I think I have to do this for each character. Okay. I also need to take into account the movement. Okay. Let's just do this. Let's go for a branch. Okay. Delay. Make this 0.1. It's completed going here. True. I'm gonna go set looping for sprite. We'll go here. Go play. Set flipbook. Flipbook to idle. Can I search idle? I can. Okay, cool. That makes this a lot easier. Set flipbook. I think what I want to do is variable. I can add a and add it is jumping. Because I don't want it to just be able to keep jumping the whole way, right? So flipbook, after that, I should be able to set is jumping, because that's at the end of it. Okay. Now, it's actually at the beginning. I should do is jumping. I should get is jumping, and then I should break this connection, break this link. Go branch. This condition. We go here into this. And if it's false, I can do it. If not, not allowed to. And then I should do get velocity, so I can keep moving. I should do a break vector, and should take the Z. Equals. So equal to 0. That will be in here. think that's it for that. Okay, what did I get wrong? Here, you. Just take this. Then boom, save. Running, jump. Oh. Okay. That's interesting. Why can I run? Oh, I need to do the same thing, but make it so is jumping can't happen while I change this sprite up here, right? So let's do can I just like drag it? Get is jumping. Right? And we do a branch. Is jumping. Then I'll take this triggered, break this link, come into here. If this is the condition, it should be good. Okay. Get actor, forward actor. If it's... What does this need to go to, though? I think if it's false, I just read it into that. If it's true, it does nothing for now. That just didn't work at all. Okay. Let's run it. Let's go. Dude's bouncing. One second, you guys. Okay. So now what I should do. So what's going on here? If it's true, is jumping. I don't want it to run any. I basically just don't want it to run anything, right? Okay. How do I make it? I don't want to be able to run the... What am I missing here? Oh, I'm never setting it as is jumping. Like here, I'm never setting it as. I was like, why is it not letting me do it? But it's this. Break this link is jumping. Set it is jumping, and then compile, save. There we go. Okay, we're jumping quite a bit, but like we can jump pretty far. It's actually kind of wild. I don't want to be able to jump that far, but as of right now, that's kind of how we're doing it. That makes it so much easier. Okay, I can do a get max thing. Okay, so jumping's figured out. Cool. Jumping's figured out. All right, play. I do want. Do I just keep going faster? Can't tell. I will eventually set the max speed that they can go. But that's future me problem. Yikes. So much going on right here. I'll break these up into things eventually. Like I'll make comments over them eventually. But what I want to do now is do a slide. Right, because that's what I have. I have another like sliding animation. So I want to go movement. I can do it in movement since it's just a keyboard. Let's add. And let's do it as a shift button. Shift. Okay. Now. I know I'm gonna need. So that's done. Where am I doing this at? Okay. So I know I'm gonna need an is jumping. Or not is jumping, is sliding. I know I'm gonna need that. Let's do slide. That's not even close to a slide. Not cast a slide. IA slide. Where enhanced. I guess it makes sense that I guess I do need a completely different one of these, right? Let's trash that. Let's make a new input action slide. There's a car alarm going off. Slide. What did I see? Main. We add a new one. It's gonna be slide. It's gonna be keyboard. It's gonna be shift. Okay, 1 second. All right, I just had to make sure it wasn't my car that was being with the alarm going off. Okay, so I have the slide. This should be I think the trigger is gonna be a hold. Maybe it's a pressed. Whatchamacallit, like this is. I think it's a pressed, like just like that, or just like the. Where's jump at? Did I get rid of jump? Slide, movement. Did I get rid of jump? Am I crazy? Add. Jump. Okay, triggered. Is this this will be pressed. At least I don't think I did that. Is this still here? The jump's still here. Compile. Run. Jumping. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Now, gonna need is sliding, and we're gonna need to do a slide. Slide. It's action events. Slide. Because I don't want anything to happen if it's sliding already. So let's do, or if they're jumping even, right? Because like if it's jumping, I can't really go into a slide animation, so that doesn't really make sense. So we'll get that. And we'll get that. And then we'll do a branch. It's not how you spell branch though. Do a branch. And then we can do a conditional. Conditional. Is it or? There's type of or. Or. It's just or. Just or. Or. Boolean. Can I just get an or? Here we go. Or. If either of those are happening, I don't want anything to happen, so let's go here. And then this false sign. I need to make sure I set it to is sliding. I set is sliding to true. And then I set the looping to not loop because it's not like a looping animation, right? Set looping. Set looping to nothing. Sprite, yes. That should change the flipbook. 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 The sprite to slide. Poseidon slide. It's pretty easy. And then for the door, I think it should be about like a delay of like 0.2. Okay. And that's completed. We need to now set looping to on, right? Because we're gonna move the thing back to idle. So set looping on, and then I think we do play. If it sounds right. And then target, just also this, because I need a target for that. And then set it back to idle. Flip book to idle. Poseidon idle. And then at the end of all of that, get rid of is sliding, right? Alright, set is sliding to not. Compile, save, run. Did it. Okay, hello. So that's happening. Oh, it's just so quick because I need to make it so this also has. Okay, this is gonna be okay. So sliding is taken care of. But I need to make it so this isn't. I think my logic's about to go crazy up here for a second. Should I finish? I think I'm gonna finish swinging first, but I do wanna. So I need to go here. It's like, yeah, I have an animation where this swings the sword, right? So let's go input. Input action, swing. Cool. Here, I'm gonna add a new. This one's gonna be swing. And then I want this one actually to be shift, and then this one to be control. And again, that's just a pressed. It's not a. I can't just keep swinging, right? Just a one pressed thing. So let's save that. Then main character. Oh, this is ugly. Let's do the swinging and then deal with the logic of it all. Okay. I don't mind it, so sliding and swinging at the same time is going to be tough for anybody. So swing, enhance action events. Let's get a is swinging. Oh, I need to make an is swinging. Is a swinging. I don't like the rename. Is swinging. Okay, is swinging. We'll get is swinging, and we'll get is jumping. Is jumping. And we put those into an or. So Boolean. Or. Go bop. Bop. Then we need a branch. If this is true. Do nothing, but if it's false, we gotta do some stuff. False, we need to is swing, we set it so that they know that it is swinging. And then we need to take the looping off. We got boop. Set looping for the sprite is I need that to be off, I think. Okay, I'm gonna do flipbook. Set flipbook with sprite. I just hate how ugly this is. I don't need another. I'm gonna make it all pretty after I'm done with all the logic of it all. Set flipbook. This is gonna be swing. Poseidon swing. And then the duration, so delay. It's gonna be like 0.5. And then at the end of that, it's gonna set the looping back. Set looping. Dude, this is just ugly. Set looping, yes. And then after that, it should just do a play. Play. Throw this in there. Then it should set the flipbook. Flipbook. Set flipbook to idle. Idle. Okay, idle. And then it should set is swing to false. Is swinging because it's done. Set that to false. Okay. Compile, save, play. This should. I think there's more to it. Okay. There's absolutely more to that. Like, I think it swings back. I'm like 95% sure it swings back. So what if I did this like a whole second? Compile, run. Yeah, see, it swings back. Oh, but what if I did the wrong thing again? Testing map. I want to go to that because I don't want it to take that long. So I think what I need to do is go here. Frames per second. Let's hit a 24, right? Like I said, swinging fast, right? That's what I want. So then we can go back here and put this back at the 0.5, maybe. Save, compile, run. Yeah, it's pretty good. Did I thought I went and I set all of these. Okay, besides swing. Oh, but I just actually close something. I don't know why I closed. Future me problem, right? Movement, I'm gonna need you up. Actually, I need you to go. You're gone. Now, so that's pretty. Oh, I can't have them run. Let me okay, play. Yeah, it doesn't let me swing. Okay, so. Okay, now. Basically, what I need to do is make it so the run, so like the other stuff can happen with the run. Okay. So I need to focus on. Okay, I need to get rid of. Okay, this stuff goes down here because I need to make sure this stuff gets all pretty like. But that's after I finish this logic. Okay. So I want is sliding, get a sliding, get a swing. Okay, now I need some ores. So we're gonna branch. I need to branch one of these. Okay. Let's move that branch up there. But it's not just is jumping that needs to go in there. So let's break this connection. Let's walk through some logic here. I need to connect to some ores. So Boolean, in order to do ores for all of them, I'm going to need 2 ores, right? Because I can run this in here and get if those are there. I need another ore. Boolean. I need another ore that will throw this into it. Throw that into it. That means if I'm not doing any of them, I'm just sitting on idle. Oh, after I'm completed. Yeah, if I'm not doing any of them, it's on idle. Cool. Now what I can do is take another point of this, throw it in there. Okay. Throw it in there. Then I need to check if it's true. So here's the thing. Here I need to check. So if this is true, I need to check if the is sliding is true. So I'm gonna branch here. Then I need if sliding is true, I still want it to be moving, but I don't want it to be. So I basically need to double everything. I basically need to like copy and paste almost everything, right? I need another one of these. Control C, Control V, right? Because I need to make it so this is gonna get ugly fast. That it, instead of running, it's gonna be sliding. Branch here. Then I'm gonna need a set flipbook instead of set flipbook. Instead of the run, I'm gonna have it to be the slide. Is basically how that's gonna go, and then after that I can go here, and that should be fine. I think that's it. I did a lot right there, so hopefully it didn't break anything. Okay, boom. Yep, I will stop and do that. I still want to be moving though. Still want to be moving. Oh, because I didn't grab this. Okay, boom. Then you get the scale value too. I was like, what's going on there? So this way I should still be good. Okay. So, yep. Go do the slide. I want to change how fast I can go. I don't know why. It looks like I'm going really fast, but I guess I can play around with that when I actually make the world. You know what I mean? So like, I can take that down a little bit. Now though, I want to make this pretty because right now it's really ugly. So I want to clean this up, and then I guess we'll see what else I can do after that. But for now, I really just want to clean this up. Because like all these sprites can just be one sprite, right? All of these can go off of one thing. Okay. So let's pull these out. Let's get one sprite right here. Let's go in there. I'm just gonna grab it. No, I'm gonna grab it and take it into there. And get rid of this one. So I just want it to be down. There we go. Okay. Then I'm gonna take another link of it and put into this, because it's all the same sprite, so there's no reason to have all of these doing that. Just let me move this. I don't want to think. Okay. There's that. I don't want. Okay. Here's another two, really. So get rid of that. Get rid of that. Is that all the sprites? It should. Okay. So this should be a little bit prettier. But like all these green lines I can make into one as well. So if I brought this one all the way here, this I can make one line. Break this link. It's that. Okay, so one line come out of each of those. Here. It's still not looking that pretty, but it's still looking a lot better as of right now. Let's move these ores up. Okay. fine. This is sliding. I'm just going to put here so I don't have another red line coming all the way through. It's just not very pretty. This is what's happening here. That's easier to follow. So let me put this in a comment. Deals with running animation. I'm just gonna say deals with left to right movement. Okay, boom. I'm just gonna get rid of these because I don't think I need them for right now. Hopefully I didn't just F up the game. I guess I should probably figure that out, right? Save. Question. Okay, yeah, that keeps going. Yeah, I think I was one as a little thing like that. Okay, so that's fine. Let me make this, let me get rid of you guys down here. Okay. I just don't want to get not organized in this. Is jumping. Yeah, because I want to be able to jump out of a slide, so don't really need to be upset with that. Oh, what's going on here? This branch is what I really need. Okay. I hate the look of this, but that's just the logic behind it, so I don't really know what to do about that. I also need to make it so I don't jump so high. I also don't know how to fix that, but or maybe I need to make myself bigger so it doesn't look like I jump so high. I don't know. Okay, so we have sprites. So this is already connected to. Okay. So we'll go with this sprite and have that be the I'm gonna say master sprite. Grab this stuff. Okay. I hate the way this looks. Go on. Can I kind of? Yeah, this is what's gonna happen here. There we go. I was like, I'm moving that one way or another. Okay. So this sprite needs to replace all those. It's basically all that needs to happen now. We're gonna go here. Go up to make this more of a straight line. We'll go connect here. Boom. You go away. There we go. Why is that not breaking? I feel like it should be breaking that line, but apparently it's just not. How? Okay, break all pins. Thank you. Okay, this looks way better than the thing above it. Let's go here. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Okay. That's fine. What does this do with this jumping? Okay. finished, but it's gonna be okay. Let's see, deals with the jumping animation. Okay, 2 more. Okay, and now this. This doesn't have a lot to do. Maybe just the sprites, actually. Yeah, it's really just the sprites. No, just come here. I'll just count all the sprites. Just go away. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, then I need to go here, 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 here. I think that's where the sprites need to go. Compile, make sure sliding doesn't get broke. Because I don't want to. Okay, good. Okay. Let's see. Deals with sliding animation. And you guys can go all the way up there. A little closer, I guess. Now, this should be the same as the sliding. I don't think anything changes. Yeah, it's literally just the exact same thing as the sliding animation, but for swing the sword. That's literally it. So let me just grab this one because it doesn't really matter. Break this link. Connect to these two really quick. Move it down. Boom. Boom. Break this while I'm here. Break this while I'm here. Okay. That's boom. Probably could have done some more if I didn't want to just make this look pretty, but as far as right now, the stuff I know how to do and wanted to get done today, pretty much done with what I wanted to get done with. Which is, I think, a good stopping point, to be honest. Okay. Then C deals with swing sword animation. Okay. Save, compile, make sure nothing's broken. And then I do need to figure out that boom. Jump swing. Okay, so the jump swing doesn't let me do anything. It's kind of fine. That makes sense. All right. I think that's all I can get done for now, just because I don't know how to make it. I need to. Okay, so let's write a to-do list for next. Because I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow, so I can't really do that. But I'm gonna start having like a to-do list, and like a little like exclamation point goals kind of thing for what I want to get done before stream, and so we can check it off as we go. But that is it for this one, I believe. And then I'll figure out. I'll probably have that stuff figured out before then. But it should be Friday around 6. So thank you guys for coming out, Rev. Thank you. Appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time.